In this brief tutorial, I will demonstrate how to conceal your Twitter likes. By default, anyone visiting your profile can view your liked content. However, with a few simple steps, you can modify this setting. To begin, launch the Twitter application on your device and tap on your profile picture icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Subsequently, select Settings and Support, followed by scrolling down and tapping on Settings and Privacy. On the Settings page, tap on Privacy and Safety, and then select Audience and Tagging. The next step is to toggle on the switch next to Protect Your Post. Activating this option will conceal your likes from individuals who do not follow you. It is important to note that your followers will still be able to view the tweets you like. That concludes this tutorial. If you found this video informative, kindly give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable tutorials. Thank you for your attention, and I wish you a productive day.